Alright, so in this video we are going to have the camera follow the player. Alright, so let's create another method right here in the player controller called move camera. And this we can rename this. It was a bad name. Move player. And then after we move the player, we're going to move the camera. Alright? So, when we move the camera, we're first going to check for the position of the player. Alright, so window.getHeight minus the game object's transform.getScreenPosition.y minus the camera's y offset should be greater than the window.getHeight divided by 4f times 3. So what does this last part do, this divided by 4f times 3? Well, that just means that we are moving the camera only when the player is in the top first quarter of the screen, right? So when the player's down here, it won't move the camera. If it's up here, it won't move the camera. But if it's all the way up here, then the camera's gonna be moving. All right. And then we can do camera.move new vector 2f 0, 4 up. All right. And we do not need this. And then we can do if the game object dot transform dot position dot x plus game object dot transform dot scale dot x is smaller than 0, and the rigid body dot velocity dot x is smaller than 0, and we're gonna set the position to the window dot get width game object dot transform dot position dot y. Sorry, I'm not explaining what this does. And then we are going to wall bounds. What does that mean? Well, you know that game Doodle Jump? Well, if you reach the edge of the screen and Doodle Jump, you'll kind of be teleported to the other side of the screen. That's what we're gonna do here. Else if the game object.transform.position.x, so now we're getting the x, seeing if the x is greater than the window.getWidth and the rigid body dot velocity dot x is greater than 0, then we're going to set the position to a new vector 2f that reverses the x but keeps or inherits the same y position. So now if we run this, you can see that we can move perfectly, but if we go on to the other side of the screen, we get teleported. Cool. It's pretty cool, right? Like the video now. Oh shit. Whoops. Anyways, okay, so that's all the player controller done. So yeah, we're making progress. Yay. See you guys in the next video, I guess. See ya.